Hello friends, today I want to show you how to clean a dirty shower tub when you're in a hurry. Say for example, the tub is dirty, you don't have a lot of time to clean, you don't have the required or you don't want to spend time putting the chemicals and sprays and all that. Here is the quick and dirty way to clean up the dirt. Take a brush, a wide a brush like this. You can find this at Walmart. You don't need to spray anything on the dirt. Just take a brush and start scrubbing it in circles, just like this. Gently, you don't have to apply too much pressure. Just gently scrub it. See, it is pulling out the dirt. It may not be perfect clean at the end, but you should be happy with what you get, considering you spent only a minute cleaning this. Just keep doing it in circles. Maybe at the edge, just do some straight scrubs like this, and then again some giant circles. And then on this corner also. Okay, we are almost done. All I will do now is spray water and then show you how it looks. Okay, I have rinsed it with water. So you see, it's not perfectly clean, but for the time you spent, maybe 45 seconds to a minute scrubbing the dirt, I think it came out pretty well. It should last you for another couple of weeks. This is just a suggestion, if you are running out of time, or if you don't have time, but you need to clean up the tub, this is the way to go. Thanks for watching. Any comments? Please post your question below and I'll be happy to respond.